Hello and welcome to Igbo, where we believe that you're never too old, too late, and everything in between to learn another Igbo word and how to say it. And in no particular order, we are going to learn how to say and play the picture vocabulary quiz for the following Igbo words.
Down, right hand, left hand, top, fridge.
This is a bite-sized and fun approach to building and improving your knowledge of everyday Igbo words. Ndewo, my name is Ebere. We are ready. If you're ready, anyị bido.
Top,
elu, elu,
right hand,
aka nri, aka nri,
down,
ala, ala,
left hand,
aka ekpe, aka ekpe,
fridge,
igbe ntụ oyi, igbe ntụ oyi.
Are there any words you would like to learn how to say in Igbo? Why don't you share with us in the comment section or drop us a message at usurasusigbo@gmail.com and we'll work on including it in one of our future videos.
Improve your fluency in Igbo by learning everyday Igbo.
Coming up next is the picture vocabulary quiz. This is a fun and timed quiz to test your Igbo vocabulary knowledge. 1. Look at the image and listen to the English word.
Chair,
2. Name the Igbo word for the image within the given time. 3. The answer will be revealed after the time is up. Oche, ka anyị bido.
left hand,
Aka ekpe,
down,
ala,
fridge,
igbe ntụ oyi,
right hand,
aka nri,
top,
elu. Did you get all 5 correct?
Let us know if there are any Igbo words you would like to learn and we will consider including them in one of our future videos.
Vocabulary are the building blocks to improving your fluency in Igbo. To learn more and practice everyday Igbo words in this series, click on the video showing on your screen.